All right, so this is my Kona Rove. I have some goodies here. My daughter's helping again today. So I have my stand sealant. I have my tires that I'll be putting on. I got my little syringe that I stole from work for the sealant. I have some tubeless valves, which I did not realize I had actually. I have another package of these still too, so I guess I must have just like bought a few when I bought them. That's all right. The other tire and my handy dandy Crank Brothers M19 multi-tool. I love this thing. Thing's awesome. All right. I'm gonna take the front tire off, take the old tire off. I guess the front wheel. I'm gonna take the front wheel off, take the tire off, and then take the tube out, and then I'm just gonna go straight for the tubeless. It should work. It says it's tubeless ready. The rims are tubeless ready. So we're gonna go with it and just have a good old time. I was super confused. I'm taking this, I'm like, was this already tubeless ready? Because I didn't see the tube anywhere and it was just stuck up there. Yeah, that's typical Josh nature. I'm not exactly the brightest crayon in the pencil box. See what I did there? That was good. All right. Hey, baby. The byways are officially on both, and they are tubeless on both as well. The back tire was a little more difficult to get on than the front, but that happens sometimes, so. Well, someone's a dum-dum and forgot to bring the attachments to do the GoPro, but the byways are phenomenal. They did such a better job than the Horizons on the trip. So highly, highly recommend them, and see you guys next time.